Burpees are one of the most effective full-body exercises out there. They combine strength, endurance, and cardio in a single movement. But have you ever wondered what happens if you do burpees every day? In this video, I'll explain the benefits of doing just 10 burpees daily and why you should consider adding them to your routine. Stay till the end, it's going to be interesting. Burpees are a powerhouse workout that engages multiple muscle groups at once. They include squats, push-ups, and jumps, making them a highly efficient exercise. Studies show that incorporating burpees into your routine can improve cardiovascular endurance, burn fat, and strengthen muscles across the entire body. Not only do burpees help with physical fitness, but they also have cognitive benefits. Research suggests that high-intensity exercises like burpees can enhance brain function, improving memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. Plus, the release of serotonin and norepinephrine during exercise helps reduce stress and anxiety, boosting your mood. When performing burpees, you activate several major muscle groups, including the calves, thighs, glutes, core, chest, triceps, and shoulders. This full-body engagement helps increase metabolism, making it an excellent choice for those looking to shed extra pounds. Burpees are also great for heart health. They get your pulse up quickly, improving blood circulation and stamina. However, it's crucial to increase intensity gradually to avoid overloading your cardiovascular system, especially if you're new to high-intensity workouts. Wondering how many calories burpees burn? On average, a person performing burpees for 1 minute burns around 10 calories. That means doing 100 burpees could burn about 50 calories, depending on factors like body weight, intensity, and technique. To do a burpee correctly, start with your feet shoulder-width apart. Drop into a squat, place your hands on the floor, and jump back into a plank. Perform a push-up, jump back to a squat, and then explode upwards into a jump. Common mistakes to avoid. Putting too much pressure on your knees and ankles. Try to stay balanced. Sagging your hips in the plank. Engage your core to maintain proper alignment. Landing too hard on your hands. Transfer weight smoothly to avoid wrist strain. Starting with an advanced variation. Build up gradually to prevent injuries. Skipping the warm-up. Always prepare your muscles before high-intensity movements. Burpees might be tough, but the results are worth it. If you stay consistent, you'll see improvements in strength, endurance, and overall fitness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.